Hi, I am reporter Lee. I am giving staff lectures at Gyeongsang National University and Jeju National University of Education in Korea. Today, I made a Korean stock analysis for American and foreigners interested in investing in Korean stocks. First, let's analyze Samsung Electronics because of the representative stock of Korean stocks. I will use this homepage, investing.com. Click this. It figures market, Asia. Asian financial market. Click here, Asia. South Korea. We figure out South Korea indicates Kospi, Kosdaq, and so on. Today, Kospi minus 107% and Kosdaq minus 106%. Kospi means it refers to stocks of large companies, Samsung, Hyundai, and so on. Kosdaq refers to small and medium-sized venture companies like Nasdaq. And click Samsung Electronics. Here, statistics, major news, technical analysis. If you look here, there are financial statements, PER, EPS, and so on. Earnings, income, also watch. Click earnings, revenue, EPS forecast. Last year, first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter, and this year, first quarter revenue. In revenue, Samsung Electronics is undergoing a stock price correction today after riding a recent upward trend. Anyway, not good. Today, the Korean stock market as well as Samsung Electronics is weak today. Today's market is not good because ahead of the announcement of major US big tech earnings and a speech by U.S. Fed Chairman Jerome Powell, whether such a stock price adjustment will stop in the short term or be the starting point for an adjustment market remains to be seen. U.S. President Trump's pressure to resign from power and global traffic issues are expected to be important points. And now let's focus more on analyzing Samsung Electronics stock price. Looking at the financial statements first, it is analyzed that profitability has not increased significantly over the past 3 years. First of all, Samsung Electronics should know that its sales parts are largely divided into two areas, mobile phones and semiconductors. In terms of mobile phone sales, the Galaxy 25 is receiving favorable reviews compared to its rival Apple. The main reason is poor performance in the field of HBM semiconductors and foundry, which are essential parts for AI semiconductors. In HBM semiconductors, it is lagging behind competitors SK Hynix and Micron. In particular, the defect is large in the foundry sector, trailing Taiwan's TSMC. This time is the chart analysis part. This is Kium chart. This chart is the most used chart in Korea. If you look at Samsung Electronics chart recently, the stock price is rising in earnest. It seems to reflect that its performance has already bottomed out. and expectations that sales will expand in the HBM sector in the future. In the chart, this line, 62,000 won, is the key section. It is on the rise as it breaks through a section that has acted as a resistance line in the past. Earlier, as the 17,000 section collapsed, the stock price fell in earnest. Now, the 17,000 section is expected to act as a strong resistance line. Currently, stock prices are around 66,000 won. It is as analyzed that volatility will increase depending on market condition. The direction of the global stock market is expected to be an important indicator in the future.